Hello, my fellow insurables. I'm Kelli Aerosmith with finalexpense.com, and today we're going to go over what happens when my term policy ends and am I going to get any money back? And stick with me till the end when we go over exactly the steps you can take when the policy does expire. So first things first, I'm hoping if you're watching this video about term insurance, you know exactly how it works. Just in case you don't, let me go over real quick. Term life insurance is temporary. We've all heard the terminology, 10-year term, 20-year term, and essentially that terminology means that if it's a 10-year term, then the policy is going to give you coverage for 10 years. If it's a 20-year term, then you get 20 years worth of coverage. Typically, term life insurance policies last 10, 15, 20, or even 30 years. And the biggest draw to term, or why it's so much more popular than permanent or whole life insurance, is the fact that term insurance is so much cheaper. It's so much more affordable. And the reason it's affordable is because it doesn't build any cash value and it doesn't have any living benefits. To put it plainly, term life insurance is really pure life insurance. If you pass away during that time frame, it pays a death benefit and it's not going to do anything else. And if you like getting the best tips, knowledge, and honest information about life insurance, please subscribe. And a lot of times when people are young and they have a lot to insure, they need to purchase a lot of insurance, but they're on a budget. Term insurance is very appealing, and that's why a lot of young people purchase term insurance. And when the term life insurance policy ends, it's much like renting a house or renting a car. That's it. It's over. You no longer have insurance coverage. So when a term life insurance policy ends, that's it. You're not going to get any cash back. You're not going to receive anything. Now, there are return of premium term policies. We're not talking about that. I'm talking about your typical regular term life insurance. You're not going to receive anything when the policy does expire. So you do have a few options once that term policy ends. If you have a guaranteed renewability written into your policy, then you can renew the policy. And the benefit of that is you're not going to have to go through another medical or physical examination to qualify for coverage, but you will be paying a higher rate because now it's going to be based on your current age. Second, you can convert that term policy into permanent coverage, which is whole life insurance. Now, here's the third option. You can always just go with another life insurance company. I mean, maybe it's been 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. I'm sure your life has changed, so your needs are going to naturally change. So you could go to a completely different life insurance company, and whether you apply for another term policy or you get permanent life insurance, whole life insurance, you can just seek out a new company and go through the options and see what is available for you. And your fourth option, well, hey, maybe you just wing it when your policy ends. You just say, hey, I no longer need life insurance, and I'm just going to say a prayer and hope that it all works out. So there you have it. You can either renew the policy, you can convert to whole life or permanent life insurance, you can get a completely new life insurance policy with a new company, or you can just go without it. And as we've gone over, when that term policy ends, you no longer have coverage and you will not be receiving any money back. So I hope that answers your questions about term life insurance. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you want to continue to get great tips, knowledge, and honest information about life insurance, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.